What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Kelvin Ai Tools. Today, we're diving into some exclusive Black Friday deals that are perfect if you're looking to boost your online presence without breaking the bank. And today's highlight, A2 Hosting. A2 Hosting is throwing a mega Black Friday sale. We're talking up to 86% off on their top-notch hosting services. Whether you're a blogger, a small business owner, or a developer, there's a deal here for you. Let's break it down. Shared hosting is perfect if you're just getting started or working with a tight budget. And right now, it's only $175 per month. For WordPress users, A2 Hosting's optimized tools make it easy to build a professional-looking site with discounts up to 61%. One big advantage of A2 Hosting is their turbo hosting option, delivering speeds up to 20 times faster than standard hosting. That's a huge boost for SEO and conversion rates. Plus, A2 Hosting's Guru Crew is there for you 24/7. They're known for top-tier customer support with real experts ready to help whenever you need it. Worried about the hassle of switching? They offer free website migration and a money-back guarantee, so you can try them out completely risk-free. And don't just take it from us, their customers love them. From incredible support to fast servers and easy growth, A2 Hosting is a crowd favorite. So don't wait, click the link in the description and grab these Black Friday deals before they're gone. This is Kelvin from Kelvin Ai Tools, helping you find the best tools to succeed online. Happy hosting!